time we do it properly. Ah, a little compartment. I like this. Huh. Interesting.
Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready? I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark. About the anything, huh?
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order TIE fighters. We route. Red 2, Blue 5, we gotta get up past the transport and make the jump.
Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake your blue.
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw them away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
On base, those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, the doors are the president. Never breach your detention
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention blow breach. Prisoners not seen or then seen. There they are! Fire! Take cover, recruits! The escape box just full! Take the lifts now! Hurry! Hurry! No, not up! I said down! Requesting heavy weapons authorization.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
shots came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Scaffery's cockpit.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
So Rise of the Resistance, fantastic ride as always. Now, this was my first time sitting.
Sectors 3 and 4 on deck. All these perimeter comms equipment scheduled to be offline in 5 hours.
5 hours. So this was my first time riding in the back row with the plexiglass dividers. My review of Rise with the plexiglass dividers, it's okay. Obviously you want to sit in the front row where there's nothing else in front of you so you can get the full experience. The plexiglass dividers can be distracting for some because you do get the reflection of a lot of the things going on around you in the glass, and it can be a little distracting, and it does unfortunately take away from the experience a little bit, but it's still a fantastic ride. Still a fantastic ride. I'm perfectly okay with it. Would I prefer to be in the front? Obviously everyone wants to be in the front, but you know, it's just, it all depends on your personal preference really when it comes to the ride and whether you've ridden it for the first time or not. Where I was sitting in the red row, so I don't know if there's a way that you can request the front row. It is what it is, but you know, I just wanted to give my thoughts on riding Rise with the plexiglass.